Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today we will be learning how to know if someone hacked your WhatsApp account. So first, let's check if there are any unknown messages. So here in the chats, if you do not recognize any message or any person that you don't recognize, then that means you're hacked. Otherwise, you're good to go. Now, in the calls, if you have any unrecognized call logs, then second condition is where you cannot recognize any call logs here and in the call section. Now after that, click on these three dots in the top right corner and go to linked devices. So if you have anything that is not recognizable here, so this is my Windows. If there was any other devices that I don't recognize, then that would have meant that my account is hacked. Now the last step is to go to settings, go to account. In here, two-step, make sure that your two-step verification is turned on. You can always click on the turn on button at the below and just create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. And that's how you check if your WhatsApp account is hacked. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.